Hi, I'm Dhaval Patel with Rovi Homes. We're here at 55 Acorn Drive here in Windsor Locks, Connecticut. This beautiful 2009 Colonial is just recently listed. Let's go ahead, take a look inside. This beautiful property features 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and 2,000 square feet of living space with a bedroom on the main level. Best of all, there's a massive 2-car garage with plenty of space for all of your equipment. So this move-in ready property features a brand new furnace that was installed in 2022, a new hot water heater that was installed in 2020, and a brand new AC unit that's never been used that was installed in the fall of 2021. With over 1/3 of an acre and a fenced-in yard, there's plenty of space for all your furry animals to roam. So there's a massive deck and a hot tub pool with plenty of space for entertaining. And there is a massive 24-foot shed with a garage door opener. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. We have an open house this weekend, and I look forward to answering any questions that you have. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you in person.